Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire dehumidifier is showing you the F0 error code, this usually indicates a humidity sensor or ambient temperature sensor problem. So when this error appears, the unit may stop removing moisture properly or shut off entirely. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this error step by step. So first of all, you need to start by unplugging the dehumidifier for about 5 to 10 minutes. And this particular step is going to reset the temporary electronic glitches or false sensor readings that are caused by the recent power fluctuations. After doing so, the second thing that you need to do is to simply clean the air filter and the airflow path. So restricted airflow can sometimes interfere with the sensor's performance. So in this case, you just have to simply remove and clean the air filter and check for dust buildup around intake and exhaust vents. Proper airflow is going to help maintain accurate humidity detection. Now, Frigidaire humidifier may struggle or trigger the sensor related errors in extremely cold environment. So you need to make sure that your room temperature falls within the manufacturer's recommended operation range, since low temperatures can affect the sensor accuracy. After doing so, you just have to simply inspect the frost or the coil buildup. So you can inspect the internal coils or for frost accumulation or moisture related sensor interference. Excess ice can disrupt the normal operation and it can then trigger the sensor fault codes. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.